Basically, the mortgage is a filter that works the same way that each of these kind of an anding approach. The more that you have here, the more that you're going to be shrinking your list. Of course, you can put in a mortgage account, a mortgage amount, first mortgage, second mortgage, or all mortgages. You can put in a rate, from 0% all the way up to, whatever. I think we have 12% in here. A rate type, of course, is it fixed, adjustable, or corporate owner? Term, first mortgage, second mortgage, or all mortgage. A recording date, associated with it, when it was actually recorded. And of course, you can see that February 21, and you can click on this calendar to get even further out if you want. If for some reason the calendar doesn't appear, go ahead and scroll up and it should appear below, and it should fix itself here for the calendar. And of course, we can have loan type as well. Loan type, commercial, conventional, FHA, a line of credit, VA. There's all different loan types in here. And of course, if you're looking specifically for seller carryback, where the seller basically is the bank and carrying back the mortgage for the buyer. So basically the seller of the property is also the lender, right? They're playing the bank here. So you could do that, also add that filter in there so that, it's on the first mortgage, including only seller back or excluding any seller back as well within that. All right, well, that's the overview of the mortgage. And of course, the same way as if we added in, the filter here, it would show up in the mortgage section here. And of course, you could delete that. And look at our count here is only 21 in seller carryback for the two. All right, thanks a lot. This is the overview of the mortgage.